Okay, so, finally, we'll just take a look at the graph over here, and it says this above problem. And of course, we graph out the direction field and the solution to the problem, given the initial condition. However, it goes on and says, can you look at the graph to find an obvious solution that can be easily verified? Now, sometimes when you're looking at a graph, you're wondering, what are they asking you to do? They're actually looking at the direction field and come up with what's called an obvious solution to the problem. If I look at it, I notice over here, you have a horizontal tangent, all right? So if someone says it's a horizontal tangent, what is it really saying? It's saying there's a curve that goes through there that looks like it might be y equals 1, all right? Now, I don't think there's any other obvious solution over there, looking at it, because I don't see anything that's, obvious except the one we found over here. But I'm going to say it looks like 1, y equals 1, is an obvious solution to that. Let's go back to the problem, see if that's true, all right? So what was the problem over here? Let's go back to the beginning. And this is the problem over here. And let's check it out. So y equals 1, all right? What does that mean? Well, I'm going to plug it in. And if you plug it in, there's a couple of things I have to plug in. I have to plug in y is equal to 1, and also its derivative, which is y prime. That's going to be 0. Let's write that down. 0 equals... Well, if you plug y equals 1 in, what do you get? You get 1 minus 1 over 2, and that does check. Now, thinking about it, you might say to yourself, there's going to be another solution that's obvious. Although it's not in the picture, it's going to be minus 1. And why is that? Well, let's take a look at that. When you take its derivative, y prime, it's still 0, and when you plug it in, you get 0 equals, well, minus 1 squared is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. And that checks out. So I'm going to say there's two obvious solutions over here, or what some people call trivial solutions. Thank you.